So this is my Android phone and this is my iPhone. And now on my Android phone, I'm going to opening my WhatsApp. And as you can see, I've already added a WhatsApp account on my Android phone WhatsApp app. And now I will use the same WhatsApp account on my iPhone WhatsApp app. And here's how to do it. First of all, make sure to install the WhatsApp app on your both Android and iPhone. And now just open your secondary WhatsApp app and tap on agree and continue. And here, number page, tap on this three dot and just tap on link as company on device. And now just open your WhatsApp on your primary device and tap on this three dot, tap on linked devices. And now here we have to link our secondary phone WhatsApp. So tap on link a device and you have to scan this QR code. Once you successfully scanned, you will see your same WhatsApp account successfully added to your another mobile. It could be an iPhone or Android, no matter. This process will be same for iOS and Android.